Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, I wanted to do an unboxing, but it's gonna be an unboxing that is kind of like a foretelling of something else to come. Okay, so this is a little tiny one. So what would you guess? A scarf, an SLG, which stands for small leather goods, from Louis Vuitton. And I have something coming that this will go with. So what do y'all think? Okay, so of course you get your paperwork. We won't even deal with that right now. And they don't put tissue in, which I think is good. So here it is. So that's what it looks like. And we're going to undo it. They always leave this on. This is a blank card you can pull out in case you want to gift this. And just leave it already tied up. So if you ever want to get somebody a Louis Vuitton gift, just know that all you can do is sign the card. Okay, and this is like a little drawer. So I keep these little boxes like this because you can use them for other things like organization within a drawer or to keep jewelry in or something like that. So, okay, so here it is. Comes its little dust cover. I have not seen it yet, y'all. Here it goes. All right. Da, 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 da. There it is. What does that look like? It's a little card case. I always put things right beside my face so you can see the size. So obviously it's reverse monogram. It's the coated canvas. And it's a card holder. Card holder. Y'all, I'm tired again. Y'all, it was my grandbaby's baby. No, it was my great granddaughter's first birthday today. And we had a big party and I'm exhausted. So anyway, even though I just attended it, I didn't throw it. She did. My granddaughter threw it for her daughter, which is my great granddaughter. And it's adorable. And I'll be putting pictures up on Facebook and Instagram. But anyway, so why did I get this? Well, y'all know that I have the Loop Hobo bag that I just bought. It has reverse monogram in it. Y'all know I also have the Pochette Matisse Pochette. I always get confused. Pochette Matisse. It has reverse monogram in it. But I'm sending that to the Real to sell. And I have people like, are you out of your mind? You know how hard that bag was to get. Yes. The Loop Hobo, y'all, I sent it back. I know. It's like, wait, you loved that. You even tried your new little silk scarf from your boss on that. Yes, I did. But I did not find it practical to use. I already have a large Louis Vuitton. I'll show you that in another video that my husband gave me. And that's what I ended up putting the little scarf, silk scarf on. You know, the little short one. People call them twillies, but that's an Hermes term, I think. But anyway, and I didn't put it around the handles. I just put it as tied onto the bag. But that bag is not reverse monogram. So what would that tell you? I'm selling the one that has it. I returned the other one that has it. So what's it tell you? Yes. I ordered something different, something more structured than the Loop Hobo. It just was too unstructured for me. Like, it was that banana shape, and as pretty as it was, especially the sides and that tan leather. I love the calfskin tan leather. It wasn't structured enough for me. It just, I have a couple of bucket bags that are not structured, but this wouldn't even sit up. It would just flop over, and I'm like, this is driving me crazy. I know you're thinking, well, a hobo bag, you know, when you're hanging, it has no form. Right, but when you sit it down, at least it still sits, and, you know, it gets bigger on the bottom, so it sits. This was shaped like a boat, so it wouldn't even rock back and forth, it would just fall over. So I sent it back. But I got another one, and I think that's why Louis Vuitton was very willing to exchange with me after a period of time like that, was because I think they got the better deal, to be honest. So anyway, this will be going with that. I have no idea when we're going to get it. They said it will be 7 to 10 days after they got the loop hobo back. And of course they have to inspect it. But I mean, it's in excellent, perfect, like new condition. So that shouldn't be an issue. But, and I'm not going to keep the Pochette Matisse. It's still going to go to the Real to be sold. This says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And here's the cards. Coated fabric and vachetta leather. Petite card, S-I-M-B-M, monogram, reverse. So it has 3 slots. This one's a little bit bigger, so you could put a little coin or cash in there. I would say cash. Maybe a $20 bill or, a couple of 5s or whatever little cash you want to put in there. Or if you want to keep this truly to being a card case, I would put in my driver's license and major credit card one side. On the other, because these are very tight, I will tell you, I've learned that about Louis Vuitton, like the wallet that I was showing y'all. What did I say? Driver's license and credit card. Then I put my health insurance card. Or actually, there's 2. There's one for, I think, major and then eye or dental or whatever. And then also a secondary major credit card, just in case. Is that everything I'd put in there? I think so. Oh, a check. You always should have a check with you. So that will go in there with any cash that I would put. And just easy peasy. You would always have the major things that you need. In my other wallet, I have a lot of little other compartments, zippers. So I can put safety pins. I can put stamps and return address labels. I can put receipts, stuff like that. So this is just for a smaller purse when you're just taking your mode to pay. The other wallets that I have that are larger won't be fitting in this little purse. So that's why I got this. So it's coming. So anyway, what do y'all think? I think this would be good to keep anyway. Except now I do not have anything with reverse monogram on it. So I returned the Pochette Matisse and the loop hobo. So we'll see. But still, even if there's just in the regular monogram, I think it will look fantastic. So anyway, so that's it. I just wanted to share that.